My buddy got a buck over at the new farm property we're developing, and he gave me a couple steaks, and I think here I'm gonna try and salt them so that I can put them in the barbecue, but seems to be we're out of salt. I think I got an idea. I'm out of salt. These venison steaks need some salt. So tonight we're gonna grab some 5-gallon buckets, my rain boots. We're gonna go down to the beach. We're gonna poach ourselves some seawater, hoping to end up with some salty venison steaks. Bunch of crab shells. I hope I don't get in trouble. Is this legal? I don't know if this is legal or not. But I honestly don't really care. We're here at like 7 o'clock at night on a Thursday, dehydrating some ocean, making some sea salt. It's like watching paint dry. Oh, come on, water. Just simmer. Once you get it to a simmer, you don't really have to watch it too much, but I want to make sure it's simmering and not boiling. The process of making sea salt is just collecting a bunch of ocean water, then you put it in a big old container. You can do it inside under a cooktop, but do it outside with the propane cooker. Yeah, you just simmer it until there's no more water, and then eventually the salt will start appearing. You get it to a certain consistency, and then you can put it in the oven to fully dry it out afterwards. It takes a while. It takes probably 2 days of simmering, and I got about 20 gallons here, and so I got 2 different batches. I guess the sea salt changes flavors depending on its region, time of the year, algae blooming, not blooming. Yeah, all the wildlife kind of affects the flavor of the sea salt, and this will create really nice finished salt, so it's really large crystals, so it's really presentable. Hopefully gonna be really tasty. You wanna see my salt? I got a bunch of salt and a spoon. Got the spoon. Oh, look at all that. Look at all that salt, baby. I made salt. Yes. Yo, you want to try some? Sure. One second. Here, you hold the spoon. I need to make sure. I just want to make sure the camera's all nice, you know? Okay. Okay, you want to try some salt?
Sure.
It's very salty.
Yeah.
No, put the whole thing in your mouth. Put it all.
Overdose on salt, man.
You won't overdose.
Good. Some
That's salty.
salty salt.
Ain't that so cool?
Yeah.
Andrew, like a day ago, the water was up like 4 inches higher than this. And I was like, why does this water still look really clear, right? Like it looked really, really clear.
Yeah.
and there was nothing in it, and I was like, I had this thought really quick.
Did you get salt water?
Dude, at first I was like, did the water I got from the ocean not have any salt? And then I was like, no, I went and got it from the ocean.
Yeah.
But, dude, it has salt.
Yeah.
At this point, the salt is getting pretty close. I transferred it over to a little pan and I put it on the cooktop, that way I can wash it a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna let all this water hopefully simmer out, evaporate, and then we'll end up putting it in the oven for a little bit just so it dries out the remainder of the moisture in there.